If someone you care about has dementia, you may already feel like you're slowly losing the person you love, and knowing what to do or how to help them can feel overwhelming. Hi, I'm Dr. Amayo. I'm a GP based in the UK, and in this video, I want to give you some practical, realistic advice on how to support someone with dementia in a way that reduces distress rather than increasing it. Number 1, early planning. One of the most important things you can do is plan ahead. That means discussing things like lasting power of attorney and future healthcare wishes while your loved one can still clearly express their preferences. These conversations can feel uncomfortable, even frightening, but they help your relative remain involved in their own decisions even if their condition progresses. Number 2, make communication easier. We want communication to be as easy as possible. So make sure they've got their glasses or hearing aids if they use them. Reduce background distractions. Speak clearly and face them directly. Then keep what you say simple. We want one idea at a time and short, clear sentences. And give them longer than feels natural to respond. Sometimes the brain simply needs more time to process information. And try to avoid asking too many questions because statements are often easier to process. And try not to constantly correct what they're forgetting. Redirection often works better than confrontation. So, for example, if they say they need to leave for work, even though they've been retired for years, instead of correcting them, you might say, "Oh, work sounds important to you," and then gently guide the conversation towards something familiar and calming. Number 3, adapt the environment. Use visual cues at home or in the care home. Things like large, clear calendars, easy to read clocks, or photographs labeled with names, dates, and events. Familiar images from different stages of life can help anchor someone in time and reinforce their sense of identity. It's also helpful to bring in things they already love, music, artwork, animals, familiar routines. The goal is to provide stimulation that feels enjoyable. Number 4, protect physical health. Dementia usually progresses gradually, so if someone suddenly becomes more confused, more agitated, more drowsy, or simply seems different, always think about reversible causes. That could be infection, constipation, dehydration, pain, or medication side effects. A sudden change should always prompt a medical review. Mobility matters too. Muscle strength declines quickly if someone becomes sedentary, so encourage movement within what's safe for them. Even short walks or gentle chair exercises can make a meaningful difference. And don't forget hearing and vision checks. If someone can't hear or see properly, it can make confusion and isolation even worse. Number 5, get support early. Speak to your doctor about a care need assessment and look into local dementia support services, carer support, and community resources. Support for carers is just as important as support for the person with dementia. And be kind to yourself. It is normal to feel frustrated, exhausted, or even resentful at times. Dementia affects not only the individual, but everyone around them. It's a difficult journey, and it's not about being perfect. It's about reducing distress, preserving dignity, and doing the best that you can. If you're supporting someone through dementia, I hope this has been helpful. This has been Medicine Made Clear with Dr. Amayo.